This relentless heat wave is impacting not just our country but neighboring ones as well. As this extreme heat engulfs the world, in China, temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius have even led to pigeons fainting under the oppressive conditions. A passenger, trapped in a high-speed train without air conditioning for 3 hours, went so far as to break a window. This report comes from our Beijing correspondent, Kim Han-chun.
As soon as oil is poured into a frying pan, it begins to boil instantly, and just like that, an egg fries on its own. Under the bright sun, corn scattered in the yard eagerly transforms into fluffy popcorn. The bananas hanging there start to droop and eventually fall to the ground. The central regions of China have been enduring heat waves exceeding 40 degrees Celsius for days, leaving people and animals battling the intense heat.
He collapsed from heat stroke. He looks like he's in his 70s and just suddenly went down right at the door.
The ground so scorching hot that even a child bursts into tears when stepping on it, and even snakes are writhing around in confusion, not knowing what to do. As the heat wave continues, alarming videos and photos have emerged on Chinese social media, depicting dogs collapsing and distressed pigeons fainting from the unbearable heat.
The bird showing signs of heat stroke turned out to be a second-class protected species, the red-bellied hawk, not a pigeon.
While traveling through Zhejiang province, a high-speed train abruptly morphed into a sweltering sauna. The train made an emergency stop due to a malfunction, and with the power cut off, the air conditioning was disabled for 3 hours.
What are the crew doing? I can't breathe here.
Unable to even breathe properly due to the lack of ventilation, one passenger broke a window with a hammer, despite the crew's attempts to stop them.
We've broken one window, so opening another will help air circulation and improve things.
With temperatures above 40 degrees becoming a daily norm in China, the continent's summer is becoming even more challenging due to abnormal weather conditions. This is Kim Han-chun reporting for MBN News from Beijing.